But tonight, Jaime Raimundo et al. Made sure that there would be no Game 7. And,
Well, Coach Ryan always said if he could just keep his team healthy, he could win a championship.
yes,
And his team has been healthy for the most part. And he gets his second championship as a coach in the PBA.
Alright,
Okay.
congratulations. Ikaw ngayon napili nating MVP of the ball game. Ang ganda lang pinakita mo. Ano masasabi mo sa lahat ng Pure Foods fans na nandito?
First of all, maraming salamat po sa Panginoon. Saka sa lahat ng sumusuporta, nagpe-pray sa amin. Thank you sa inyo lahat, sa management. Lahat sa inyo. To my wife, Mahal, I love you, thank you. To Kevin, I love you. Gabe, I love you, my family in Bataan, tatay, nanay. Lahat sa inyo, hindi ko na kayo mababati lahat. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
Kirby, dahil sa MVP ka,
To my in-laws, yung in-laws ko.
paki-cross out mo. Win number 4 para sa Pure Foods Chucky Giant. Champion sa 2006 Grand Matador PBA Philippine Cup. Congratulations!
ayan po, nakuha ng...
And now may we
Pure Foods Game number 4.
the trophy. May we call in PBA Chairman Eli Capasio, the Commissioner, PBA Commissioner Attorney Jose Emanuel Ayala, and also our officials from Grand Matador Brandy, Mr. Paul Camelio,